I've got to be safe. I've got to be safe. Okay, so I have a real life example up here. We're going to do actually one of these. So I have a block of aluminum, and it's in this boiling water. So if it's boiling water, what temperature is my water?
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. Tyson, boiling is not a temperature, but I appreciate the effort. All right. No F words. Not in here. Okay, so then what temperature do you think my aluminum block is?
100.
100 degrees. It's been in there for a while. It's 100 degrees Celsius. All right. So I will tell you, I took the mass of this before I put it in there because I didn't want to try and take the mass while it was hot because that would just be painful on my fingers. So you guys might want to write this down because I'm going to have you solve this problem this time. Oh, no sighs of frustration, Emma. All right. So the mass of my aluminum is 42.8 grams. 42.8 grams. So then now we said my initial temperature for the aluminum is 100 degrees Celsius. I also have a beaker full of water up here. I don't have 2 aluminum blocks, I only have 1. So we're going to just do aluminum and water. So for my water, I have 150 milliliters.
100 what? 50?
150 milliliters. Does anybody know what mass of water that would be? A lot? You don't know? Does anyone remember what the density of water is? 1 gram per milliliter?
Yeah.
Since it's 1 gram per milliliter, that means 150 milliliters is 150 grams. So I have 150 grams of water. And this is just sitting at room temperature. So I'll use my little thermometer here. Yeah?
Oh, what's the mass of the aluminum?
42.8 grams. So if I look at this, we are at 20 degrees Celsius. So we're at room temperature in my water here. There we go. Stay there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take my aluminum block and put it in the water, and I'll stir it around. And then I want you guys to please go ahead and solve what the final temperature of my system will be. So you know the temperature of the water, the temperature of the aluminum, the mass of the water, and the mass of the aluminum. So we should be able to figure it out then, right? Yeah? All right, I'll go ahead and transfer this over. When you're finished calculating, just go ahead and look up so that I know you're done. All right, Michael, I see you looking up. What number did you get?
37.76.
Can you say it a little bit louder, please?
37.76.
37.76, so we're going to say 37.8 degrees Celsius. All right, Tyson, you got the same thing. Savannah, what'd you get?
I must have been quick, but it's like the same.
It's the same thing.
You got the same thing? All right, so we've had a lot of corroboration for 37.8. If I read my thermometer here, I read 24.5, maybe?
Whoa, that's off.
24.5?
Close.
I'm reading 24.5.
Oh no.
Did I make a boo-boo?
No,
It's just not like super accurate.
It's not super accurate? You don't think it's super accurate? I mean, feel free. You can,
No,
you can
that,
look
but
at my thermometer.
We don't know that the boiling water is exactly hot.
It's boiling water.
But
it's 100.
It's 100 degrees. You want to read it? You want to read my thermometer? Can you see it?
Yeah.
All right. What do you
20. Yeah, that.
see? Yeah, that. So 24.5. So that's kind of odd. That's not what we calculated it should be. That's weird. So either everybody made the same calculation mistake or I made some sort of mistake up here. Why don't you guys talk with the people around you?
What y'all think?
Talk with the people around you. See if you can figure out
Okay.
what is happening.